Alright, people, I got a plan for TWTR, but this has to confirm properly, people. Just because this is not a perfectly time frame aligned stock like a lot of my other plans, but I am treating this a little bit uniquely. There's some unique facts that I'm looking at. But the fact of the matter is, Twitter is set up to test 22 to 23 next. The August 18, 20 calls could be used, but confirmation will be key. And I will explain the facts inside the video, people. Yeah, so pay attention. So we know, earnings are July 27th. The question is, are they going to pop this into earnings, or are we not going to move? So one way we might be able to capture some strong gains is if this stock can confirm. So let's talk about the possible confirmation here, because if it doesn't want to confirm, I wouldn't bother with this. But let's talk about confirmation, and I'm going to explain some very detailed facts. So Twitter needs to break above 1890 on some strong action volume. And strong action volume is 2 million on the low end on a 10-minute chart. And why do I say 10? Because on a 10-minute chart, 2 million shares. I know with a stock, and one thing about the stock is volume is very important, especially at this key pivotal point that I'm talking about here, which is 1890. Okay, now if we don't get the volume, then basically as we get to 1890, then we're going to watch for basing above 1890 and look for power towards 1920, 1950 to even the high. Okay, the key to the matter is that we should see power and volume surge in these areas. So 1890 is one pivot, then 1920 comes in, right? So some basing above that, and so on and so forth. Either we get volume and power coming in as we break key pivots, and the next, of course, the pivot is the high around the 1970 area, we'll say. Then you engage in those options, and there's a high probability to make money. And you can go with these ones because they have the time, um, and they'll make a lot of gains. Because if we pop, they might want to pop hard right into that gap area. So the test 22-23 options will make huge gains. But if it doesn't want to move, it's one of those things where it could chop around, but it looks strong and solid this time. There's some things I'm seeing that was not present ever before. It's unique and it's possible, but again, it's up to the market to give us the signals, and we need volume and power. Let's go take a look at the options together, people. All right, so here we're at the Yahoo Finance, and Twitter closed at 1864, up 56 cents. Volume was okay. Um, and the August 18 calls are up here. Let me show you why I like these 20 calls. First of all, you can see they have the most open interest, 7,975. So there's a lot of open interest here compared to any other options. They trade very well, under $1, and we got a lot of time. Today they had 1,530 contracts traded. So there's a lot of trading happening in the 20 calls. Now, the way I see it, Twitter neither starts to move hard or doesn't move. It's going to go pow. It's going to pop. You know, that's how this stock moves. It's going to pop hard, and volume and pressure at these key levels are going to be time to get in. And these are going to be a beautiful sweet spot options to use. August 18, 20 calls. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great plans. People, you should check out my Apple BA GS plans. So far, BA doing very well. Apple's in a transitional phase. Goldman Sachs, same thing. But I expect these all to do well. At least two of them. At least the BA and the Apple to do well. Goldman Sachs is one of those things, but it looks solid. If we can show the power tomorrow, this could do very well. So check out this video plans. I make a lot of great detailed plans, such as this Apple, BA, and GS. BA doing very, 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 very well in this chop market, people. As for Twitter, people, it's the power, it's the pressure at the key numbers. It's just the way it is. The stock has a great setup, in my opinion. We don't have the perfect time frame alignment. But it's a unique situation. There's an alignment that is unique to Twitter that has never been present before. And what we need is that volume. And when I say 2 million on a 10-minute chart is low, that's nothing. If we see more than that, that's where we'd be even happier. We're seeing 3 million on 10-minute pop towards those numbers. 4 million. You know you're in for dollar bills. All right, people. It's all about listen to me. Confirmation is key. Study the videos. I make a lot of great plans. We win way often than lose, and we make a lot of money. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, people. It's a great channel. A lot of great things are going to be doing. Such a super chat. This is a very powerful site, and these videos created in the playlist of very detailed plans from start to end. There's powerful lessons to be learned in all these plans, people. It's what's inside, what's here in this posted here is powerful, 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 powerful plans. All right, people. And you want to follow me on Power Trick or Trade on Stock Tweets and on Twitter for updates. But you want to follow me on all formats, especially everywhere on the YouTube. You want to follow me everywhere because in case I'm going to be doing stuff on YouTube, you'll be able to do that. You'll be able to participate, especially if you're serious about making money, right? Because I'm telling you, there's powerful stuff I'm doing here. We're going to be doing here on Power Target Trades. See the center of Power Trick or Trade? It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I suggest you subscribe, people, if you haven't. Open up a YouTube account, because you want to follow me, especially this people they've been following, they see the videos, but you want to open up a YouTube account just so you can contact me, so you can participate in the future videos, future streaming, super chat streaming that I'll be doing. And if you're serious about making money, you want to study the videos, listen to what I'm saying, because all my plans are very detailed, and I also post confirmation. I take everything very, very serious, people. I want my subscribers to succeed along with me and create a super family. Confirmation is key, people. Like I said, with Twitter, I want to see the power. I cannot stress it enough. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.